make fishing baits, and today we're making a new color for my website. We're first going to start with some green pumpkin. Then we're going to add a little bit of white. Now we got to go ahead and stir that in. I ended up adding a little bit more white because it wasn't enough, but yeah, here it is, and we also stirred that in as well. Anyway, after that, we just needed a white cup, and I think you guys know what that looks like. So we ended up injecting after that. We used the double injector today. Here's how the stick baits turned out. Here's the other side of them. And here's how the craws turned out. Also the other side of them. If you guys like these or any other baits that I make, go look at my website, backwaterbaitfish.com, or link in bio.